today's topic is on our environment from class 10. Ecosystem. Ecosystem means whatever organisms we have, like plant, animals, microorganisms, maybe virus, bacteria, all together forms ecosystem. Systematic means they are dependent on each other, maybe in the form of positive or negative. Means positive form means maybe helping to the living of another organism, or maybe making harm to other organisms. Okay, but they are related to each other, they are interconnected to each other for living purpose. That is the ecosystem. So in ecosystem, many other factors are present, like mineral soils, rainfall, wind, temperature. These are also the factor of a ecosystem to maintain its sustainability. Okay, likewise sunlight is the main source of energy. From sunlight the plants make the food or some form of carbohydrate by means of the process photosynthesis. So by means of photosynthesis, sugar or carbohydrate compounds are produced. Mainly plants are performing this work, but some other algae also do this. So from this plant many organisms get the energy source, like fungi, other animals like deer, frog. These are the other animals. These are known as consumers eat who eats the producers for getting the energy source. Okay, so food chain is actually the dependence of many organisms for eating purpose. Like see here, plant is producing the carbohydrate or sugar, then it is eaten by deer, then it is by tiger. Likewise here you can see grassroot in the B diagram. Grassroot, from grassroot to some form of worm, then frog, then snake. Likewise it is going higher. In C also some form of algae is eaten by worm, then fish, then some other bird. Okay, so likewise it is going upwards, and this is the food chain. Means depending, we can place the straight line like structure to show the dependence of one organism to another organism for the food purpose. Okay, so main producer is the plant or algae, mostly plant. They produce from carbon dioxide and water by the use of sunlight. So this is the trophic level producer. Producers are those which produces the carbohydrate or sugar by use of sunlight. Then those are eaten by primary consumer, then secondary consumer. Consumer means whoever taking the from whoever is dependent on the producers directly or indirectly. Like primary consumers are directly related to producers, secondary consumers not directly eating producers, rather they are eating primary consumers. Likewise, so this is the trophic level. First trophic level, second trophic level, likewise it goes to higher. And this is the structure of pyramid or pyramid like structure. Actually what happens, the number of producers is much more than the primary consumers. Means maybe it can be seen that 10 producers are eaten by only one primary consumers for living purpose, and maybe 20 primary consumers is eaten by only one secondary consumer. So number of consumer or number of organism is getting less when we go from lower side to upper side. That's why it is the that's why this structure is obtained, that is pyramid like structure. Okay, So 10% rule is there. You must remember here that whatever the energy producers have, only 10% of that energy gets into primary consumers. Remaining 90% they are using for their own living purpose, like many physiological processes or many other things they are doing to live their life. So only 10% of the producers energy is going upward to primary consumers, and only 10% of primary consumers energy is going to secondary consumers likewise. So this is the 10% rule. So here you can see food web. Food chain is already seen, but food web, how food web actually what happens, the chain like dependence is not maintained regularly. In between second trophic level or third trophic level, some interconnection may be present between two chain, three chain or four chain. Like here basically four chain was started, but in the middle part you can see that they are much more complex in the dependence of food. So they are taking maybe third chain organisms may be taking the food from first gen or second gen. That's why it is getting complex in dependence of food. That's why it is food web consisting of many food chains. Okay, so here sunlight is used by producers to produce the carbohydrate or sugar, then that is taken by herbivores. Herbivores means those herbivores means herbivores. Okay, those animals who eat plant, mainly plant or some other form of photosynthetic organism. And herbivore, after herbivore, carnivore means whosoever is eating herbivores. Carnivores are not directly eating the producer, means not directly eating plants or algae, but they are eating herbivores. So these are related, thus these are related. So carnivores don't eat producers, so we eat producers means plant and herbivores as well. That's why we are mixed in nature. We are not only carnivores or not only herbivores, we are mixed. Okay, so fine, up to this for today's class. In next class I will discuss remaining part. Thank you.